Few weeks ago, Biafran Liberation Army came out and they made a statement through Makeup, and they said that the sit at home is no longer going to take effective. In fact, they are no longer in support of people sitting at home. That they receive a message from Mazna Modekano saying that sit at home should stop. That thing raised a lot of dust. You know, Biafran Liberation Army said this, that they're no longer in support of that. In other hands, they said people should not force anybody to open shop and all that, but sit at home is hereby stopped. That nobody's going to enforce it again. The way they put the statement. I watched some people. I'm not going to go there anyway. I watched some people making some comments, okay, kind of in defense, kind of trying to defend BLA statement. BLA means Biafran Liberation Army. That they made, some of them say no, they are not actually something against that home. They are kind of trying to confuse this statement that is very, very obvious. And Biafran, questioned a lot of things about it. Biafran questioned them and asked some questions about it, which is not answered. So these questions that Biafran asked triggered a lot of things. Question like, how did you manage to hear from Master Mudokano? Who conveyed the message to you? Since when you start picking information from Master Mudokano? Were you not here when the same people, it was rumored that Master Mudokano says that home should stop when PM was here? Did you say anything then? Why say something now? Does it mean that you don't understand that are you doubting the reason why PM said that home should continue? You're saying that it's no longer being enforced. Does it mean that somebody used to enforce it before? What was your intention about? So a lot of questions was thrown on them, and nobody answered those questions, and things went down and calm. Then when Monday came, I think how many Mondays now? I think 2 Mondays now. So the first Monday after that, the people were like, okay, let's see what will happen. The whole Nigerian news carried this. Oh, stay at home officially is over. Even Joe Bokwe made a video and a post, not a video, a post, a write-up, saying that that they have that butchers have cowardly, bow or something like that, and they put it in a funny way. Even they made a comment as well. People questioned it in a different way, some in jubilation, some kind of mourning about it. Some even said that even though they don't like it, but in as much as BLA have said it, they're in support. Some said it out of pretense, but they're burdened inside their mind because they don't want to share the same feeling with their friends that are not in support of what they're doing. Like those of them that said that I don't belong to anybody, I want to be neutral. In fact, they are now in autopilot. Today, they even discussed about that autopilot again. I think Obieze was the one discussing it with Biafran Unite, how to, the benefit of being in autopilot and all that, and this and that. So I'm not here for that. Like I told you, anything Biafran Liberation Army, I am always, try not to analyze or go deeper on it. So permit me to share this with you, because BLA have come out today and made a very, very clear statement saying that from henceforth, they are now going to support sit at home. So they have thrown that report into West Benin. Just like how Lazuba threw her own fallback to Ogenkere with the West Benin. Listen, BLA, this is what I have been saying, that it will be very, very, bad to see any people that people like BLA that Biafran hold in a high esteem behaving like Lazuba. And this is what we see, or what happens when you associate yourself with somebody that is highly incompetent like Lizoba. If you allow her time with time, you will start behaving like her. Very, very unfortunate. I just want you to share this with in this particular video so that others will hear what Commander Gentle said in this video. Let me say this. I don't know Gentle in person, but each time I listen to him, that this kind of somebody that have a kind of free spirit, like he don't hold grudges, and I feel more. Let me not go there. Let me not go there because in summary, I see him as a good person. I don't know him in person, but I don't know why I have that kind of feelings. I want you to hear what he said. I want to hear what he said, and I'm not gonna say much. All right, share the video and put your comment. Okay, put your comment. I want to know what you think. What's your own take in all this? Let's go there. Let's go there. Now, I'm going to leave it this way. And I wish that this, okay, let me see what I can do. I want to make sure that I block. All right. So I think we are good to go. Let me just play this for you to hear. So we are going to start from here. Let's go.
All of us of freedom. Okay, this is information from our BNA. Let us listen to them. Biafrans all over the continent, all of us of freedom, or supporters of freedom. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. This is still your humble brother, aka Jaco the Yahoo.
Listen.
All Biafrans should get this in your memory. Please let us keep on pushing. Do not slumber. It is a word of encouragement. We are in the battlefield, and we really appreciate all Biafrans for your support and everything. And we are still appealing for you all to keep on supporting and keep on pushing. No one is big, no one is small. And I want to use this wonderful opportunity to address the entire world. This is the genocide war going on in Biafra land. This is how they have been moving around, killing innocent Biafrans. But thank God, we have been sleeping, and they thought that Biafra have collapsed. But I want to make it openly these days. We are freedom fighters. We are not the terrorists. And now,
I don't understand this part that we have been sleeping. Anyway,
they have waked the hungry lion that is asleep in Biafra land.
Okay.
I want to make it clear for the hearer of all the enemies of Biafrans, and more especially all these Igbo. Trading view is turning.
So this is about he's trying to talk about this the one they call the Igbo Muslim. I think that's what they want to talk about. So let's just pay attention. Let's listen to that again. Let me go back. Listen.
Igbo Muslims that are claiming that we are terrorists in our own hometown, so that they can be able to make way for their masters, for our enemies to enter into our land. Please, dear friends, I want everyone to open our eyes to understand what is going on. And from this time henceforth, this is coming out directly from the office of my triple general down to the major generals in Biafra land. From Monday, this coming Monday, everywhere should be locked and key. Biafra, I love the courage. I love you people's courage. Yes, it met officially by the NGMECO. But since we have seen that these people don't want peace in this land, every Monday sit at home should continue till Nnamdi Kanu comes out from detention. That is final. Let everyone hear it. Let it not be.
So when Jacob made that post, it simply means that they were expecting that these people are not interested to make peace. Because he says since they don't want to make peace, since they don't want peace or something like that. Anyway, like I said, I'm not analyzing. I just want to see if I'm still thinking, if I'm still reasoning in line with what they said previously. Anyway, I'm happy to hear this. I'm not gonna lie. As long as they made, I'm happy they're not, realizing their mistakes. It's very, very good. Very, very good.
And then let it not be as if tomorrow you will rise up and say that you did not hear it. Let everyone hear it this time around. And for you, Dele, workshop, idiotic human being, those that do doesn't count. Biafra is unbeatable. Biafra is unstoppable. No Biafra, no peace. No Biafra, no peace. Biafra is unstoppable. You see all those money you collected. You see all those money you collected just to sabotage your own homeland, your own mother's land. You must vomit the money to the enemies. To those that gave you the money, you must still vomit the money because you can't achieve the goal. You can't achieve your goal. With your stupid ones that are backing you up. You think that you are wise. Why are you running now? You are making a noise all the time. Why are you running? You see, for this life, they make noise. But hear me and hear me out. Hear me and hear me out. Your generation, at least it don't happen now. If they play the show, stupid human being. If from Madonna to Karime and Bodger, I have graphics, I have tomato. Rubbish human being. I don't have much to say. We are France. We are fighting for the good of everyone, and we must keep on fighting. And we must fight to the end. God bless you all. Thank you.
Ọ dịkwa ka ndị a na udele na-anọkwa n'ije ọfụma, because I watched a video of udele bragging and all this. This is quite sad that somebody who claimed to be Igbo man or Igbo woman is busy pushing this kind of thing on your people after watching what is happening in elsewhere in the other part of Nigeria. A lot is to be done, but the best thing is you that is watching, you that's from Igbo land, to know who is against you, who is for and who is for you. And I have many things to say, but this is about Biafran Liberation Army and security issue. I want to report it just like that, so you can let me know what you think. Now, If I play for that, you are going to hear Biafra Unite demanding something and saying something. Not that he demanded, but he just called adultery. I have that comment submission. You see that one shouting, "Oh, I support." After telling us that she's in support of this idea of sit at home should stop. That Mazakando told us. Now she's not jumping up and down, celebrating that now it is active. I'm gonna share that with you. But before then, please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel in case if you're new. Let's go further a little bit before I end this video. All right. Here you could code Nafa and Adoch. This part, I think just a moment, let me bring this down because we are going to hear what they said here. Just a moment. Just a moment. What is this? What is this? What is this? Okay. Just a moment. I'm trying to locate here. Where is it? Okay. The video. So they called Adocho to come and give her final solution, and this is what she started doing. Okay, let me adjust it a little bit and see. No, don't worry. I am coming back to that Finland trip. That trip. I'm coming back to that maybe later today. Just hear how I know. Fire about the man. When the man order that nobody can never go Egypt for Abatobi, this is not a Mamma. One and I see after Abatobi and Ga. Remember that baby in Finland, you do want it, never. If why I know why I said if BLA behave, decide to remain or in contact with anybody that talk to this woman, BLA will end up acting and behaving like this woman because she can influence you to misbehave anytime at any given time. This woman acting as if it's a new thing. You went to Finland to remember that. I'm not advocating for remember that, but I'm just telling you that this woman went to Finland to remember that how. The other two guys that went there to remember that they are aware that they are going there. That remember that one code they are aware. According to my guy Mazakwa, and I'm tempted to believe that part of story because when you went there, you did not put your name. You put fake name. They just said so person and so person they are coming with one other person, making it three individual. She put fake name, La Zuba, because PM don't know that this woman is bears that name La Zuba. She went there, PM could not recognize who is La Zuba and all that. And when she came, PM was like, okay, this that kind of thing. If she's sure of herself, why must she hide her identity while going? Like, why must she hide her profile for her to be allowed to go there? Because everybody knows what they can offer. You know your atrocities, you know who you are better than anybody. But sometimes you have to hide it and pretend for you to get what you want. But when they go and get off, you won't have any choice than to open up and show who you are. Yeah.
One day, all of them call themselves government.
That none of them have visited PM. Few weeks ago, she was busy on her platform ranting and saying that Imam Badabu, that she is the one talking to PM. She PM that she don't need to lie. When she was reporting to you that Imam Badabu have hired a lawyer, go and watch the video. She always told you that Imam Badabu and PM are the one talking. Now, Imam Badabu is not has never for once visited PM. But he is now in charge of he's in charge of a PM appeal, according to you. Now nothing goes on go to Fulani. Is a man Madabo. Hey, now I had that support to hey, no call but he just a cook. Because everything you have, even this you could now, he's your enemy. Don't pretend that you don't know when both of you are fighting. Although if you don't fight too much, you just send warning to you and Ahoma give it better.
No one could. On Candace is not like a Hanakita, just the Finland. Anna Chide Finland. I didn't have Finland this Saturday or next coming Saturday.
Can you imagine? Just hear this fool.
Now, waiting. Oh, no, I just was about to get a through there. Why you can't put it? People are wicked. I just keep quiet. Oh, no, what if I is so? Why, you are? All capacities you have having anything. Not knowing that place I would have been a jack was. Not knowing never I would have been a jack or I'm only not quasi. Shut up, not about to be a winning prison. Shut up about the day of Nigeria. Shut up about the Royal Mantaway is you.
Listen.
About to be no truth. You didn't know who we the was. I am not telling you about Nana Calicia.
Oh, all of a sudden it shows, yeah. I thought that had been your line of argument. When did he Ngozi Garafieland or God for Batobi? No, it shows him. I thought visiting of Batobi and him. These guys are evil. Come on, you guys are evil. Listen. Listen.
The most important I made it. To save our life.
And the needful is from you jumping from your YouTube platform to start contacting men on ground. That's the needful. And when they send any money, you tell BLA, no, I guess we're going to quick up and legal then. No, but they may made the first minister get a own in the pounds. All right, we the needful. I join if you know the last. Come on. Again.
One of the most important. I am him more. I am a Begonia fine and Calicia. We can love us, we can hate us. But the most important when I make the good work. Yeah, I know Liana. If I sign me, 9 million. Mepone or Garcia. Our angels need us. Our angels need the eye. Whom we borrow the more who they want to message you could not see where born. The Bible wrote them on a book. You know, when I
Negative.
More like the guest knows go, the man will be doing harder.
On our water grant for asking for fundraising. I'm not against. Honestly, I'm not against them collecting money for anybody. Please, but it's funny that I can see the brain of this. Look at this. He said, you are trying to water grant to donate money to Kukuna. Kukuna is gonna be a leader. Let's just. I don't want to force word in anybody, but this is my own instinct. Okay, because I dragged that part of this video where Kukuna the Okwafa record the video very soon to address you, to let you know how the whole thing will be. I don't know. So until the video comes out, then I don't know if I will continue to watch. I am actually, trying. I'm looking for another video. Then I stop on this one. This is not the video that brought me out on her side, but I'm still in search of that video anyway. So since I come across this one, I said, okay, let me just drop it based on what Botus Gentle said. Not all this nonsense that I've been here. Listen.
Yes, this is the time. If you get up, you can never fall again. And with one love, our people need us. Or we need to see a voice of Gentle this evening. Oh, but Nabania. You may have to go. You may have to
Okay, so you already know what she's trying to say. Let me repeat myself. I'm not against them conducting fundraising or raising money for KK or for CAF. My hands not there. All right, it's their choice. So it is up to them, and I'm not interested. I'm not in support. I'm not against. I just report my news. They go JJ. Anything is possible. None of you are kids, so do what you can. Up to you. Do your do. All right, please let me know what you think about everything we discussed in this video. Like I said, a lot is to discuss. A lot is in this video, but this is where my power reach. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Good morning to you. Bye bye for now.